Hi, my name is Palmer Johnson. I'm a family law attorney in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about what you can and can't do when you first start to get divorced. Right after you file, there's something called an Automatic Temporary Injunction that goes into place, and it is really designed for the protection of both parties. It's kind of a standard document unless you explicitly waive it. That says neither party can make major changes to the status quo. If one party is providing health insurance for the spouse and the children, they're going to need to continue to do that. You can't just take them off. One party can't go to the bank and take all the money out of the bank account. A lot of people will try to do things like that, and it can be kind of scary for the other side, especially if they feel like that perhaps their spouse has some kind of unfair advantage or access to more of the information, access to more of the financials, the things that they can use to sort of get an upper hand in the case and maybe put another party at a disadvantage. This sort of helps protect against that. It protects against somebody going out and selling a bunch of assets. Maybe you didn't really know about all the assets that your spouse has purchased. The issues can be vast and complex, but in general terms, what we're talking about is maintaining the status quo for the benefit and stability of your family. That's really what the purpose of it is. But if somebody violates it, we have then an enforcement mechanism that says, oh no, you can't do that, and they can get a civil remedy for that. It's typically not going to have any kind of criminal component or a jail time. I think a judge could, for a very egregious violation that was not the first time, perhaps maybe hold somebody in contempt and keep them in county jail for a short period of time. But primarily what we're talking about is injunctive relief to prevent someone from doing something, to return marital funds that they've tried to sequester and make look like separate property, and again, kind of level the playing field. So a really useful tool, and something that I can go through in more detail with somebody so they make sure that they're in compliance and not violating that, but also understand what their legal protections are as well, and how that can help their family. If you want to find out more information, check out my website, moms.law.